Let's look at question 38. Count and see. This question is a very interesting question. When I first read it, I cannot understand what they ask for. So after I read it the second time, I know. So this question actually, they give you an input number n and let you to build the output string. So this is a recursive call function. Number n, the result is based on the number n minus 1. So finally, this one is based on the 1. So they give you an initial string, 1 is a 1. And how you see this 1? So you will say this is a 1 of 1. You have a single 1, so you have 1 of 1. So number 2 is 1, 1. Then how to say 1, 1? You can say we have 2 of 1. So the number 3 string will be the 2, 1. Okay, how about number 4? Number 4 is how you spell say this 2, 1. You have a 1 of 2 and a 1 of 1. So you have 1 of 2 and 1 of 1. So then what is the 5? So 5 is 1 of 1, 1 of 2, 2 of 1. So 5 is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. So when you give this 1, you have to build it from the 1, 2, 3 until you reach the n. Okay, so we have to create a help function first. So the help function will be the string and call C. So give a string, how we say it. So for example, we have a 2, 1. We will say this one is a 1 of 2 and 1 of 1. So finally they will build 2, 1, 1, 1. So give you any string. In this string is a number and how you say it. Okay, so for that one, we loop each letter in this input string and say it. So first we need to count the duplicate letter digit. So we have the initial, just give some letter because all the char in this array is digital. So if O, so first we get we have C, right? So if O is A, here will be A. So we have some count. Equal to 0. And the count will be 1, and O will be a C. So we start to count its duplicate. Else, if O is a C, okay, what we need to do is we count +1 and else, right? So finally we will reset this O, but before we reset it, we need to say it. How to say it? So we build a stream builder. Stream builder is a new stream builder. From here, we will say it. So we have append, we have a count, right? And we will say this one. So we have append O. So we see how many this one, and then we let it become the new letter. So after that one, we will build this one. So we also need to set the count to 1. Because after this loop, the last one, we will say it. So then we return s build to string. So give you string, say it. So this one actually is a next. So let us to do this loop. So string s in the beginning is 1, and then one and I1 less than n. Okay. So 1 is 1. So s will be the CS and return s. Okay, let us to see if we have is 2, right? So this one is 2. The beginning is 1. So they go into this loop here. 1. Then we see the 1, 1. Okay. So if n is 4, so then they build 3. Then this one will return to 1. Okay, let's look at the code. Okay, so this builder and oh, here is 1. Okay, and submit it. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching the video.